Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Hyundai i10 SE. This car comes with a 1.2 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 45 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 4, so ideal for new drivers. And this car has a very low mileage of just over 15,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Sleek Silver and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, we've got a nice clean interior with the blue theme running through the dashboard and through the seats. And then onto the dashboard there, you've got your CD player and FM radio there in the centre, as well as the air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also rear passengers also have a storage cup holder there in the centre too. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there for a car of this size, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have a spare wheel, which was a factory option, so many i10s don't come with this. That's great to see. Externally, the car comes with the front fog lights, the 14-inch wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.